Everyone. My name is Thoriq Abdillah from Kusuma. So today I'm going to be explaining about my website. Let's just get straight to the code. We only have 5 minutes, so I will only explain about the essentials of these programs. So I think tab 8 is a big part of these programs because it sets all the things that you need, like symbols, emojis, all the stuffs. Like Espanol, you have to put the and on top of the symbols. That's what you need to show it up. And you have viewport connected with initial scale. So it fits your scale like on desktop or mobile. So it look appropriate. And this is the titles that pops up in the tab. And we see here I have the styling from register CSS to style my programs. And then this is the header, the biggest header each one's my portfolio. So I have a navigations links also here. It navigates to Coba HTML and about and form. What does UL means? UL, an ordered list, it doesn't have numbers in it. And then we move to the container. So what does containers do? I will explain later on the CSS. So still we have section ID about, which is when you click it, it will refer to the about when it will refer to about. And now I have paragraphs. This is P mean paragraph, so it's just for normal text. And then div is to differentiate the sections. Like if you want to differentiate parts, only part of these that consists of these, and use div. And then we have section ID skills here, same as before, but here's we use ordered list, so it has numbers in it. This is here list, continued list, and this we have the third headers achievements. I also use the ordered list, and here I have image source. I'm using Bahlil as the image here. What is ILT here for? So in case the image just pops up, this LT will be the ones that pops up. And here I have forms, label, input type, text placeholder, ID. So what does all these things mean? So type is the type of text, the types of things, value that you need to put. So placeholder is like the hints that pops up before you put it in. And the ID is for the backend letter if you put the backend on there, just to identify the things. And then I have labels. I have email, phone, age, password, computer password, and checkbox. All those, not all those have different types, but some of them already have different types. I think it already 4 different types. Yeah, so this is the agreements that belongs, blah, blah, blah. And then we have tables here. I put some tables here. Uh, that is the head of the head of the table. TH is the name of the columns. Yeah, like the ones that above it. And TD is the cell names, like what's inside the cell. This is what's inside the names. TR is for the line. Yeah, the line. Yeah, the body is what's inside the tables. Yeah, that's the things. I think that's all I need to explain. Now let's move on to the register, GSS. All right, so here I have a couple of, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, sections like body, so the whole background is called this green. That's what I put in there. And the header is text line in center. And I will explain only the essential things. So box headings, I use border box here. So it doesn't pop out like it's out of the range. So you need the border box here. So this is max width of the border box that I will show you later. And this is the margin. Margin is 0, padding is 20, so it not get close to the border. So it put like, yeah, like space. This is the background color, the background radius. So background radius is not totally rectangle, but it's kind of round. So, and this is the navigations that I showed you before. I will show you later. And this is the width, the padding, the margin when you input. You see, remember the labels and the input. The input, yeah, this is the things that controls it. Also has border radius, buttons. These buttons, when you click registers, this is the button that color up the space. It greens. And the text size is wide and padding. This is the paddings, like because it's rectangle, so you need the 2px 12 times 20. This is the border radius for px, and this is the button hover. So it changed the colors. That's what it means. A focus visible. So this is the focus download that I put in the navigations link because we use Pseudo class. So I put it here before I put it in the link style CSS. Yeah. Okay, move on. Uh, I think I already out of time, so uh, I will move on here. This is the results. This is the results of yeah of my website. And here we have the pseudo class that before. When I press home, it will navigate to other tab. I mean other pages. And this is the visited something something visited. Sorry, so yeah, underline, etc. So when you click this, it will revert back here. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you so much.